How to upload audio to Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Drive application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the new icon over here at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the upload button over here. So as you tap on upload, it will land you to this page over here where you can see different options from your downloads to your audio, documents and so on. So tap on audio and you can select any of the audio that you would want to upload in your Google Drive. Now I'm going to select on this particular music over here or this particular audio. So tap on it, and as I tap on it, now it will start getting uploaded on your drive. So make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And after checking on that, if you have downloaded or uploaded the video or the audio, just refresh the page and here you can see the audio has been uploaded on your Google Drive. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.